So this is a short video on how to fix the fuel tank door locking mechanism, which is the common problem for Mercedes A-class W176 model. So this happens like first during the winter you are not able to close or open the fuel tank, or then you're driving, this door just opens accidentally. And then if you're not doing anything with this problem, it starts to kind of be stuck during the summertime. So you are pressing this door and it doesn't open, and you are not able to refuel your car. So in order to fix this thing, you just need to replace the locking mechanism over here. So in order to do this, you need to open the door. Then you need to apply any two pieces of plastic to put it in the middle of these two plastic elements. First over here, and the second one over here. And then if you try to like move it a bit to left, it will pull over here. So then this thing is free to move. You need to, for convenience, remove this thing and pull the whole element towards you like this, and now it's released, and the only thing is this connector over here. You need to press it with a finger or a hook, and then pull the connector up like this, and now it's released. So now the only thing you need is just to replace it using the original one. So we are unpacking it, then putting the wires back like this. Yeah, this thing is for this pin lock. So now it's fine, and next we just need to put it back. So this circular thing is for the top, and this thing for the bottom. So as you can see, it's over here. We can close the fuel gauge, and then we need to put this circular thing under this plastic element. So it should be like I don't know, like for the regular door over here. And then we just need to push it forward. Let me show you, like this, and put it back in place. And now it's done. So now you can use it. It works perfect.